Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. You guys, AIA Beauty Bundle has the entire Alicia Keys skincare line in their new boxes. Look at that. I actually kind of like their old boxes better because it's kind of glitzy and girly, but look at the beautiful pinky. I don't know why my mail carriers always feel the need to scruff it up, but they do. Y'all, I have tested this out. I've had it for 2 days now, and I've used it 2 days in a row now. Oh, let's see what your girl thinks about it. I see you guys. It did. My loves. So AIA Beauty was $34.99 monthly. They used to just be bi-monthly, and now they're monthly. But for the month of March, they have raised their prices just like everybody else is doing to $38 a month. And they changed their box color and style. Sorry. They changed their box style. Didn't know anything about that either. And the way I found out about the price increase was I was looking up what this month was supposed to be. And, you know, your girl kind of cheated a little. Because I'd heard rumors about this being in here. And I was really excited about it because this girl is on fire. Yeah, I can't sing for crap. I will never forget that song because I was at my mother's visiting her, and her girlfriend put Alicia Keys on. And that song, man, I'll never forget it. Whenever I need to have my spirits uplifted, or even when I'm up cleaning the house, I usually listen to Dan Anderson's channel and have Alicia Keys. This girl is on fire. Yeah, I love that song. I love that song so much. So, that's it, you guys. AIA Beauty Bundle is now $38 monthly, but for every box they sell, they donate $1 for cancer research to the City of Hope. I'll put it right up there. And then there's the screenshot for what their monthly prices are now. So this month is Keys Soul Care. Y'all, it has the facial cleanser, the exfoliator. You can use it on your body also. It has a soothing balm, which felt just absolutely amazing. It actually kind of felt a lot like I was putting chapstick on my face, but then when I went to let it seep in, it didn't feel like that at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the video down below of the last time that I used this whole skincare line, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts about it as we're going through it. So here's the video. The first one I use, you're going to see me using my spray bottle here just so I could do it on camera with you guys this time. This facial cleanser, it almost comes out, looks like an oil. Look at that. But it foams up a lot. Like if you're actually at your sink using it, I use the spray bottle just so you guys could actually see me using it. But at your sink, it has an amazing foaming property. So it gets deep down into your pores and cleans it out. Like I just done that video for you guys. I'll keep it playing and talking about it. I just done that video for you guys, and I can still feel my skin tightening up. Like it feels like it could squeak, like be squeaky, squeaky clean. I actually really liked it. The next thing was the exfoliant. You guys, this is an actual powder. It kind of feels like flour, but it has like a salty grain to it. Yep. Your girl didn't plan that one out. Here she is. There you go. Now you can actually see it even better this way. But it's so light. Look, it's so light. And it was so gentle on my skin. And now it's all over my desk. It felt really amazing. And it's like I don't want to say it completely disintegrated after I put it on. But I did put it on and I worked it in really, really good. And I don't know if that's what gave my skin the squeaky feel. But y'all, it felt amazing. It wasn't abrasive at all. It actually felt really, really good. I'm actually going to use it on my shoulders and on my knees in the shower because I have a lot of dead skin on my knees from the winter. It's very yucky, and we cannot have that during the summer. So I'm actually going to use this on my knees, and I'll keep you guys posted on that too. Then she has this Revivin Aurora Mist. Y'all, this is the one thing I didn't like. The rose scent in here. I am not a rose scented girl, and the rose scent in here is just too much for me. Now, it does fade away. It dissipates, but I just don't do rose scented very well, so it irritates my asthma. It irritates my allergies. So I'm going to put this off to the side and let one of my girls use it. Next thing we have was the Promise Serum. This actually felt a lot like a lighter oil than what the cleansing balm was. I mean, look how light. It's just, oh, I absolutely love this very much. In a minute, I'll tell you guys on the card how much everything is and what the properties in it. There's niacinamides in here. There's, oh gosh, there's just so many good things in this skincare line. I'm actually really excited about it. And y'all know I get fed up with skincare. Next thing we have is the Radiant Eye Cream. Use very little of it. It goes a very long way, as you guys see in the video. And then here is the Soothing Balm. This looks like chapstick. This feels like chapstick. But once you put it on, it's not like it's chapstick. Look at that. And I'll do it again. Like, you have to peel it out. It'd be better to use a spatula or whatever. My hands are clean, you guys. And there it is. And this is like, old farmers will use this stuff called cow udders on their cow's udders. And it feels just like that. That's exactly for severe, dry, chapped, cracky skin. It's just like that. Exactly. Like, I would use this on my hands. I'll use it on my knees. And look, no oily, greasy feeling. Not at all. I really did like it, you guys. Okay, now let's go through the properties of everything and the pricing. Because y'all know I fell in love with the Serum line that they sent out the month before. It was so affordable. And y'all, I'm still using it as you see in my beauty room tour. I do love that line also. So, the Be Luminous Exfoliator, the powdery one that I showed you guys, it is worth $22. Exfoliate your skin with this restorative water-activated exfoliator powder for the complexion formulated with hohica powder, lactic acid, mung beans, and, does that say cats? Oats. It says oats. I'm so sorry. So I was doing right when I sprayed my water on it in the video because it felt really dry and it wasn't sticking. And I haven't watched anybody's videos because I don't do that until I see for myself. So it felt right to put the water on. So that's what I did to get it off. Now, again, this is worth $22, you guys. Next thing we have on their list here is the Promise Serum. A lightweight brightening facial serum with niacinamide, zinc, PCA, and snow mushroom. And I've been using my snow mushroom serum still, you guys. I love that stuff so much. That helps control oil levels for a balanced, healthy looking complexion. This is worth $25. Then we're going to go on to the Radiant Eye Cream. I love this, you guys. I really did. It felt so good. It almost felt like it had a cooling effect. May just been me. I don't know, but that's what it felt like to me. This is worth $28. Look at that packaging. A hydrating under eye cream that locks in moisture and helps improve the look of the fine, dry lines. Peptides, sunflower seed oil, and gold foil. I didn't see any of that in here. No gold foil whatsoever, but y'all, I'm telling you, it felt amazing. Next thing we have here, the Reviving Aura Mist, the Rose. I already did that, didn't I? Yeah, I talked to you guys about it. So, the Reviving Aurora Mist, a naturally rose-scented revitalizing face mist spray and toner formulated with rose of Jericho and witch hazel. That's the tightening effect. Gosh darn, maybe I will need to use this because my skin feels so much tighter. Maybe I can just take an allergy pill beforehand. I don't know. We'll try it though because, oh, my skin feels amazing. The Comforting Balm, I showed you guys already. A soothing skin balm for the face and body formulated with carnelian seed oil, rose of Jericho, avocado oil, and shea butter. Felt amazing, you guys. And then the last thing, the Golden Cleanser. This here, big old bottle of it, you guys. A delicate, soothing face cleanser that gently purifies your skin and your spirit with antioxidant-rich, hydrating manuka honey and calming turmeric. That could also be the tightening in my skin. So the total value for this box is $142. Now, this is valued at $22. I'm sorry, this is $20. The Rose Spray is $22. The Reviving, no, Comforting Balm is $22. Everything's around $22. The most expensive one was the Radiant Eye Cream, this one here, and it was $28. Yeah. So $142 value, guys, for 38 bucks, and it's the entire line. That is one of the main things I love about AIA Beauty Bundle, is they go to a company, they get one thing of each of their line, or, you know, 5 to 7 products in the box, and you get to try it all out. It's not different products. It's, you know, from different companies. It's the same company, their line of products. I thoroughly enjoy that very much. And even though it did go up $3 a month, y'all, AIA Beauty is worth it to me. Like I said, $1 from every box goes to City of Hope. You know, it's very near and dear to my heart. Cancer survivor. Woo woo. And you get so many products. And it's always around $140 some odd dollars. Always. Always. It never fails. Now, sometimes they did go a little heavy on the skincare stuff, but they've been switching it up. I mean, month before last, it was Serum, and then we got the MAC bundle, and now we got Alicia Keys. This girl is on fire. Yes, I love that song very much, you guys. I mean, look, here's a picture of her. I'll put it right up there, full screen, you guys. Look at her skin. That is just full on herself. I don't believe there's any, you know, lighting effects or anything of it there. I watched her on one of the singing shows, and she was playing, and her skin looked like that regardless of how the lights came flashing on her. Her skin is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, you guys, that is our AIA Beauty Bundle for the month of March. $38 monthly now, and $1 for every box goes to Cancer Research, to City of Hope. I'll always be subscribed to them. I'll always give you a true review of the products in the box, as you all know. And you guys, I love it. I love it. I truly do love it. And I'm very happy now that the bigger channels are starting to recognize these smaller subscription boxes that are coming out. There's quite a few channels actually now that are saying that AIA has become one of their favorite boxes now. So, y'all, it's worth a try. You can cancel anytime. They're very good at communicating with you through Instagram. I will leave their links down below for you, and I will leave my referral link down below for you. I'm super excited about this skincare line, you guys. I am almost out of my Serum, so. And this here has the niacinamide, the grapeseed oil, and everything, just like the Serum did, and I really, really loved it. It is a little bit more expensive, but hey, good skincare. Y'all, it really isn't all that cheap. And for that entire line of Serum, it was still around $140. I think that was right. And I do love it, so I'll probably be ordering more of it when I run out of this. The Alicia Keys. So care. I love it. I love it so much, you guys. All right, y'all. I'm done being a goofball. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a like, and your girl will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.